Hello? Is the stream working? I hope the stream's working. Anyway, hello? Alright, so I was watching yesterday's stream and my mic was a bit quiet. Not because, well, during the second half of the stream I was quiet because I was really tired. And then the music, you couldn't hear it as well. It was also too quiet, so hopefully it's better now. Well, it's day 2 of remaking Left 4 Dead 2 in Unreal Engine, and yesterday we made guns. We go over here, we got a gun system, I fixed all the bugs. We also have another gun, enemy weapon, we added a rifle. And it's a bit messed up, I'll fix that in a second. but it doesn't have a thing either, so it's a bit messed up, but we're gonna sort that out now. It's pretty simple, we just need to go into the rifle model, add a fire location, and then move this here. The socket is a bit too much. The movement is a bit too much. I'm gonna do that, and then hopefully it shoots. Range is a bit low. Bullet range 50. What's it for the AK? It's 300. Let's make this. Do we give it more or less range? I'm not sure. It does more damage, but it shoots in less time. I'll give it the same range. You know, I don't know. Oh, I just shot the ground. But now, yep, we got a rifle as well. And if you notice up here, it prints out the total ammo and the ammo you have. And when you reload, it goes up. But we don't want that. That's not how games work. We're gonna want to use UI, which is... I don't like this. Why is it playing this? Why is this one annoying me? We're going back to my playlist I made. Just until that one skips. That one's not ready for the mood, you know? We're not at that part of the thing yet. Why's that? Okay, no, that's too much. Let's just put this one on. Alright, sure, that will do. Alright, so we're gonna make the UI, because having a print thing isn't that good. So that's today's plan. Make things look good and sound good, because it's also gonna make sound. So we're gonna do a rigid blueprint. I'm gonna turn this down. And we don't need animation. We're gonna make this here. I just looked up the UI, just use it as a reference. We got player name, player icon, health bar. We've got the items here, and then we're not gonna need this because we're doing campaign. Is this? Oh, that's on Steam Deck, guys. Like, why is the voice chat things up there? But yeah. So we're gonna do a canvas panel to begin with, and then progress bar. And then over here, I'm not sure how we're gonna do pills, because pills isn't exactly health. It's temporary health, it has texture. So, I'm not sure how we're gonna do pills. We'll find a way. And it's like... Should we do red or green? I always use red as a health bar, but I think red is just better. But Left 4 Dead does green, and then it goes down. I can probably try replicate it where it goes green if you're good, and then goes down if you're low on health. I think that'll be the best way to do it. So we can bind this. To the player health. And also bind this to the player health as well. Which we don't exactly have right now. So I'm just gonna create the variables and then I'm gonna program tech damage later. So down here, health. Hopefully this one sounds better. Sure, that one's better. Alright, so for health. Nope, new property. Edit anywhere. Blueprint, read, write. Read only. Category is health. It's gonna be max health. And this one's gonna be visible anywhere. Actually no, it's just gonna be off, and it's gonna be current. And I don't want max health to change. Actually, I'll just leave it because I need to set it in constructor, and I'll probably need to in begin player, depends. So health is 100, and then in here, health, current health equals max health. And that's all. And instead of compiling and waiting for it to load, we're just gonna make another. We're gonna make text, and it's gonna be ammo count. And this one goes. Where does this one go? The ammo stays up here, right next to the gun. So we'll do that. We'll probably have the gun icon and everything. But right now, it'll just be the ammo. Does it show the total ammo? It shows total ammo underneath. So this will be 50 out of. I'm actually going to make a vertical thing. Vertical box. Call it ammo count. And then ammo in mag. And then another text called total ammo. Move this here. $50 out of, let's say, 200. Gonna want to center it. And this one is less important, so it'll be a lower opacity, and it will also be font size, slightly smaller size. images. Size to content. Actually, no. You can do that. Push it over. And then there'll be an horizontal. Can I put a horizontal box or vertical box inside? I can. Okay, that's perfect. And then there'll be an image inside the horizontal box, and it's gonna be weapon icon. Or should it be a bullet icon? I'll make it a weapon. You don't need to see the bullet. You know it's bullet. You need to see the weapon that you're gonna equip. And for now, we'll just set the image as... I've never seen these before. Okay, that's the image. Oh, that's perfect. And this should be fill? No, auto. And then this should be size to content. What happens if I put fill on size to content? I think that's how it should work. This should really be its own thing, but for now it will remain temporary. So we're gonna create bindings. Hello? Welcome to stream. Yo, stream chat's working today. For once. It's working. Hello. Hi. So we're gonna create this binding. You alright? Yeah, by the way, this is the greatest game of all time being made. The HUD looks good so far. Yeah. I'm planning to make it represent Left 4 Dead as much as possible. And I have a lot of time, so well, more time than Lethal Company, so hopefully I can get it good. So I just need to get the player and then get the ammo count. Pass the player character. And then get the player. And then promote this as a player reference. I mean, the UI is accurate so far, yeah. Especially in this little devil thing, that's really accurate. That's like... You can tell it's Left 4 Dead just because of this, you know? Why don't you use delegate for ammo managing? Or ammo changing? Do you mean like for UI or for reloading? What do you mean by ammo changing? Are you gonna have the character icon beside the health bar? If I have enough time, then yeah. I'll probably just look up or draw my own character or something. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it, but I'll find a way. And then get primary weapon. Oh, we'll do equipped weapon for now. If you want, I can help make the icons. If you're going to make them, we'll see. So you don't need to use tick to check the ammo count on the UI. I mean, up to you, huh? Oh yeah, I know what you mean. No, yeah. This way is just quicker, and I'm just used to this way. And I know it's not the most efficient way, but since this game will be so small, it doesn't really matter. But yeah, this is just the way I'm used to, and it's the quickest way, and it doesn't really matter for a small game like this. ammo and mag, and then just gonna set it. I see, I understand, yeah. And then for this, we can create a binding. Once again, gonna get the player, gonna get total ammo, and then we can just return it in here. And then for the player, if we do bench begin player, we create a widget. We can do the HUD and then add to port. I don't think we'll need a reference to it, but if I do, I can do it later. And this is just adding HUD. Color it. So now, there we go, we have the ammo. Alright, it works. I think it will be better if while you're reloading, instead of showing 0, it just shows reloading. So I'm gonna do that. So I don't think this is good for tick. If I want to change it later, I can change it later. Once again, it's not really gonna matter. But for a big game, I'm doing this a different way. Get the player, get is reloading, and if reloading is true, it will return reloading. You know, just because you don't have animations right now, it would be nice to just see that we okay, I just shot the floor again. It would be nice to see that we're reloading and that it's responsive, since we don't have any animations yet. Alright, so now we close this, and I'm gonna set this to blueprint read right, and then compile. So then we can make the health bar. Pills is the issue, or temporary health I should say, because I don't know if there'll be a screenshot. This is the closest thing I can get, but like this one's like a textured. Zoom in for the stream. This here is like textured, if you get at what I mean. I'll try to find one with pills, but I don't think there will be. But the problem is they're both in oh, here we go, perfect. This one has like a textured, but it's also in the health bar. I have no idea how to do that in Unreal Engine. The temporary health, yeah. Like, I don't know how to do that in Unreal Engine. So I'll look it up, or I'll try to look around and see if I can find anything. But I don't know exactly how I'm gonna manage it. I'm also gonna name this health bar. So going to get percent. Should we get so we get the player and then current health right by max health, and that's just a return. I can change this return, can't I? you make it in the 10th have a different color if it doesn't work. I can make it a different health bar. I don't think I can make it inside the same health bar. That's the issue. So now if you play, it's set as 0 for some reason. Gonna delete this. Don't need it anymore. Am I done with math? 100 divided by 100 is 1. It's because I did that. If I try now. Nope, still 0. Maybe if I prevent. By saturation. Yeah, it's 1. Why is the health bar empty then? It's 1.0 and that means the health bar is full, but it shows up as empty. I don't know why, but it is. Get health. Remove binding. Bind. That doesn't make sense. Am I dumb? Am I missing something? Maybe if I add current health to 50. And then you print this. It's still set as 1. The health is 50. If we set it to 0, it's still 1. Am I doing the math wrong? Current health divided by max health? It's totally right. Doesn't change. Yeah, it changes. It just doesn't show the health, which is very strange. I was going to change this to a 1 second delay. I don't see how this isn't working. Like, I get I haven't used Unreal Engine in a long while, but what if I just set this to 100? No? 100 out of 100? No? Okay, so it's just broken. One. $100. What? Health bar. Remove binding 1. And it's empty when it... Oh, cause I have a binding here. So now it's changing it. Oh, okay, so there's nothing wrong, it's just cause this remove binding. Okay, so now the health bar works. Now it works. And we need to change this. And I don't know the exact numbers for the colors, but I'm gonna make 3 different turn values. One is green, one being orange, and then one will be red. Gonna get the player health, and we get a switch in blueprint. We can't get a switch in blueprint. We can get an int. Is it called flow or something? I forgot what it's called. Int switch on int. There we go. You know, that won't work because it needs to be this or below. So we're gonna do get current health, and if current health it's less than or equal we'll do 25 this, otherwise it's greater or equal than 50. It's probably not the best way to do this, but I suck at blueprint, so we just have to deal with it. If it's greater than 50, it'll be this, and if it's in between, it'll be this. So if we make a click event, so every 2 seconds, current health is subtracted. Current health minus 20. Goes down. change its color. There we go. I think this one needs to be like 75. And then this one can be 30. I'm just messing around with the numbers. I have no idea how accurate that is to the actual game, but maybe we can delete that. Yeah, it works. I'm also going to change this to a different color because I don't really like it. There we go. Should it be yellow or should it be orange? It's like a yellow. You make it a yellow orange. When health bar below 40. When below 40 health, it turns yellow. Oh, okay. Do you know when it turns red? Gotta find out when it turns red. I can't remember when it turns red. Alright, we'll leave it at like, we'll make it 20. Anyway, that's the UI done. Also, when yellow health, it slows down your movement if you want to add that. I think I can add that right now. Actually, I'll add that when I make the health. Then below 40, slow down movement. I'll write a note there. I also gotta change this model so it shows up correctly. The gun model. So items, guns, gun model, AK. The AK is fine, but it's this here where it's too far ahead. That's like next to the trigger and that's too beyond. Too far ahead. Edit pivot. Move it back a bit. Still doesn't show up right. I changed this to rifle too. Oh, it shows up fine. No, it just doesn't show up fine in the thing. Maybe it's just too far back for the AK as well. I just didn't notice it. That's too far. Yeah, I think that's fine. And then we change the primary weapon to AK. Yeah, I think that's fine. It's good enough. Whether we'll add hand models depends if we have time or not, but anyway, now we have to add signed, so we're gonna go to the base website, freesigned.org. I need to log in. Alright, so simple, done. That's brilliant, you know, that's brilliant for a zombie apocalypse. I'm gonna turn this down since we don't really need it. But yeah, I think that's perfect. The sound's just like Left 4 Dead. I'm gonna add it. Yeah, no. Toy gun. Oh, that's perfect. I'm actually just gonna mute this music. I wanna listen to the sound. Gun range Mega 1. Dirty Harry style. What? You know, sometimes I wonder why people upload these sounds to this website. Like, in what possible scenario do you need this audio? It's from 2012 as well. 50 people have downloaded it. Why do you need this sound? Whatever. Why don't you use the sound effects from the game? I'm looking to create my own. I think it's more fun if everything's more custom. While also being like somewhat similar. But yeah. I swear to God, I had a toy when I was 9 years old. That sounded exactly like this. Remaking Left 4 Dead 2, I'm gonna make my own thing. Yeah, because it's a remake, not a copying this as perfectly as you can. I'm gonna do gunshots. I think that'd be better. You know what? I should search up the gun. You can hear it ding. That one could be good. How about I added the sound effects from Left 4 Dead 2? Then I'll send it. If you want. If they're better than the ones I find, then yeah, I'll add them. Is it gonna be you screaming down the microphone as like a gunshot? I think you should do that. If you do that, I'll add a rocket launcher and then add it to the game. That one's also pretty good. It doesn't sound as big, but could be good. Just give me a list of the guns you want adding. Yeah, I'll do that in a minute. So far, it's just an AK and a rifle. What is this? Okay, it's 8-bit, that's why. All of these are 8-bit. You know, that's a great gun sound. What are these emojis? I know YouTube has such weird emojis. They have so much. Wait, I didn't realize how much they have. They have loads. I thought they only had like 5 of them. They updated it. There's loads. That's crazy. Why are trombones killing in the thing? No, I think I'm just gonna use these. This one's from the Mud Crab and this one's from 9 Billy. I'm gonna save this for Left 4 Dead 3. So now if we go here, we can make a gun sound. Now it's gonna make a muzzle flash. This one's gonna be rifle. Actually no, let's open up Audacity first so we can edit them. Send the list. I mean, I don't know how many. I'll send you the current list. There might be more coming. Rifle, AK-47, maybe shotgun, pistol. I'll probably add like 1 or 2 more. I think this one's relatively fine. We don't really need to do anything to it. Yeah, I think that one's fine. We don't really need to cut it. We just need to name it. This one. No. I think that one's pretty good as well. Export. Yo, hello Z, how are you? Been a while. Been a while, how is everything? You can drag these signs in. Hello F3, how are you? Hope you're doing well. I'm good, how are you? Doing pretty well, but by the end of the week I might have gone through pain and suffering, we'll see. This looks fun, yeah. I'm doing the fun parts on stream so I don't look boring. Who are you? I'm a nobody, you know? I don't even do game development. I'm just reacting to this guy make Left 4 Dead 3, you know? I'm just a React YouTuber who plays Fortnite. That's who I am. But I just do game development. That's about it. I remake games for fun, so you can watch me go through pain and suffering. Why can't I copy paste this? Let me copy paste this. My keyboard's just broken. Only my mouse works. Hello? There we go. You signed. Are we doing signed you? Oh, signed base. Let's do signed base. Gun signed. And then why did this duplicate? Okay. And then on file. Prepare unsigned. Prepare signed 2D. I think this is get world. Prepare signed 2D. I forgot. Let me look up. I forgot how to play signed in Unreal Engine. Oh, gee. Gameplay. Statics. Play signed 2D. And it also needs an include net gameplay statics.h. Does it work now? It works now. And then we're gonna get the equipped weapon. And then it's going to get the gun sign. Oh, we need to do get world first. And then we play the sign. And I don't think we need to change any of these values. We can just leave it at default. And then you can put the music back on. You can put that back on. I think that's all for signed. We can close this and compile. I mean, I think that's for now the UI and sign done. As much as we can do for now. You're a legend game developer. True. I do a lot of tutorials more than I make actual games, so better off as a teacher, but hopefully I'm gonna redirect my YouTube more to more fun stuff like this, but yeah, I'm better at teaching than getting projects done, mainly because I can't make ideas, so I steal Left 4 Dead 2 and remake it. I'd say I'm also fast, so someday I want to try out Godot. I've tried the Godot engine before, and I didn't really get it, but then was updating. Are you working on anything else at the minute? No, I did have a few ideas, but I kind of just lost interest in them, as I normally do. Maybe I'll come back to them, maybe I won't. Never know. I've came back to ideas before, but I didn't really finish them. Relatable, yeah. My ears. Hold on, I have a genius idea. Infinite ammo. Infinite ammo. My ears. That's so loud. The stream is like half the volume. Oh, that's genius. And we're gonna increase this to 2. And we're also gonna increase the damage to 40. Why is it still so loud? It should wait, should it not? What if this is 10? Okay, so that just doesn't work. If you can't shoot. Oh, that's why. You can't shoot equals false. And in here, it gets set to true. It never gets set to false, that's why. And we can just compile through here. Good thing we find that bug. Because otherwise you'd have been killing enemies instantly. Okay, so compiling through here makes the stream lag a lot. I'm getting encoding overload and the YouTube video is stuttering like crazy. I'm gonna cancel this and just compile through Visual Studio. It's better for Visual Studio anyway, it causes less issues. What else we need to do after this, you know? Pick up weapons and weapon switch. I might do pick up weapon. Picking up items, I should say. And then I'll do the health system, so taking damage and healing. It's kind of not in order I planned it. You know, I was planning to do pick up items, then weapon switching, then shoving, and attacking, then healing, but I'm all over the place constantly, so we'll just do it in whatever order I find it easiest. Alright, so now. Okay, now the time is too long. It's 2.8. That's still too long. 0.2. That's still too long. 0.5. Get out of the way. Still, that's too fast. 1. Oh, that's pretty good. I'll make it 0.08. And then for the rifle, we can do 0.1. 1. Very specific. And then it can do like slightly more damage than the AK, and the AK damage can be nerfed. And in the player, we change the weapon. Hello, weapon. Why is it all the way down here? Change the primary weapon to that. I think that's pretty cool, you know? Already feels way more responsive. Now we're gonna do weapon switching. I said we're gonna do pickup weapons, but I think weapon switching would be a lot easier. So input 1. We get primary weapon. You know, we can get primary weapon. And then we set equipped weapon to this, and then input 2. We get secondary weapon, and then we just do that. Mesh doesn't change, so we need to get the weapon mesh, and we need to start at mesh. And we're going to get equipped weapon, and we're going to plug it into both. Get mesh. It's a bit wacky, so we're just going to move this here. Not the cleanest code, but I'm not a blueprinter. Is it part 1? You mean this stream? This is day 2. So part 2. Unless you mean something else. Hey, thanks for the sub. I'm gonna butcher that name, but Wang NG. I also got a new sub alert, so hopefully it's more custom now. The last one was just stolen. Okay, now it changes. I'm glad to see. If you switch weapon, I don't want to switch weapon while reloading. So gonna move this over. If get is reloading. I'm gonna be not fuel. So we can't switch weapon if we're reloading. Yeah, that's perfect. So now I got weapon switching. Let's do weapon pickup. So for this, I'm just gonna do it. Do we do it in Blueprint or do we do it? I'm gonna do it in C++. Actor pickups, weapon pickup. What is this? What is this got what is it with this channel being like, yeah, let's upload bad. Got lo-fi girl. Not having the best day today. Hold on, we got something. Hold on, let me turn on streaming mode real quick. We got something. How do I hide? I'm just gonna leave it. We got something. Did you make this with your voice? I could add landmines. They sound like bombs. I could do that. Yes. Okay, so you're. I can credit you as a voice actor, and it's just this. You know what? I'm gonna add bombs and then make this. Yeah, or I could make it like a grenade sound. This very delayed. It's probably just a stream. It's on the lowest latency. But yeah, we got bomb sound effects. Anyway, rice build field. Anyways, I'm gonna leave for a bit. Alright. Hope you enjoyed anyway. Might join back if you're still alive. Yeah, I'm hopefully gonna get this finished up. So, we'll see how long I'm alive for. It was fun. Bye bye. See ya. Anyway, bye. We're gonna make protected. We're gonna do use sphere component. The big class use sphere component. Sphere collision. Use property. Visible anywhere. And right. And then another one for use static mesh component. Mesh. And then finally, down here, copy this. Gonna be edit anywhere. And then it's gonna be a category equal to items, and it's gonna be gun data, and then it's gonna be just gun data. Okay, delete data asset gun data. I'm literally just gonna go up here, copy this, paste it down here, and it's gonna be sphere collision, use sphere component collision. It's gonna be include components, sphere component. Gonna copy paste this as well. It's gonna be what I call it. It's just mesh. Static mesh component. And then mesh. It's gonna be sphere collision. And then we can play. It's gonna be mesh get static mesh to random data, or what's it, gun data. I should name it, yeah, gun data mesh. We don't need to tick. And then we're also going to create a binding, which I'm just going to copy paste. So here, here, on overlap and end overlap. You can also delete this. There we go. And then once again, actually I can just duplicate this, make it on infinity to end overlap. I don't know why. Oh, it's because these both are the same. So on overlap again, we're going to make, first of all, check include player character and a player character player as a character from the other actor. And if is valid there, we're gonna go to the player and then public, it's gonna be beyond data from in range and property you can read only. Didn't mean to copy paste that. Explanation mark look. Alright, hope you enjoyed the look. Go do your thing. Player gun and range is the gun data. Is no. Good luck, thanks. I'll need it. Vice player. Oh. Gun range equals no. Gun range equals gun data. There should be no pointer. So then on interact action, we're going to do interact, avoid interact. Operation could not be completed. The selected text is, yes it does. I'll just, maybe it's just stubborn, maybe it'll take a while. Interact action, act. Okay, why are you acting up now? Whoa, I can't even cover it. I'm muting you. Manage. Lock all communication. Okay, bro. It's still gonna go. It's gonna go all day, isn't it? It's gonna go all day. It's not working. I don't know why it's not working. One click. Wait, this is a comment. It's just acting up. Anyways, I'm gonna get food now, so I'll probably be ending the stream now. So I'm just gonna work on interacting off camera and then tidy up some of the AI. No, I'm hungry. I'm gonna get food. I'm just gonna work on the rest off camera. I'm not gonna wait. I'm gonna end. I don't even have an ending screen, but yeah, hope you enjoy. I'll have interacting done, I'll picking up weapons done off camera, and I'll see you tomorrow. See ya.